of course, D, and OMG, look at these little Christmas trees. Very different in look, but both quite as easy to make. Now, we are going to look at the first one I did, which is this beautiful air-dried clay Christmas tree. I'm going to make sure I say air-dried clay because a lot of times I've been saying just air-dried. Air-dried what, D? It's air-dried clay. Little Christmas tree with an LED light inside, so you can just imagine what this beautiful tree looks like in the dark. And I will show you that later on once I created this. Well, I mean, when I was creating this, because obviously I did. This is after the fact, and it is just stunning and fun to do. Now, the second craft we have is a clothespin Christmas tree, and again, easy, fun to do, endless decorations that you can put on this. Of course, I just chose to keep it in more of a Christmas ball kind of motif, and super sweet. So if that sounds good to you, and this is your first time coming to the channel, I'll just let you know that I love to do lots of kinds of crafts. What is that? Lots of crafts and some toy reviews. I like to do relaxation videos for kind of with an art theme, of course, like coloring. It's a new kind of video that I'm doing for this channel, so there aren't too many yet, but I'm hoping to do more in the new year. And that is, again, just relaxation videos, say coloring to music inspired by color keys and nature, and just having fun with that and learning new tips and techniques on how to, you know, glow up our coloring skills and things together. Yeah, and also like etching and maybe intense dot to dots, paint with stickers and things like that. It's just a lot of fun thing, because sometimes you just need to unwind and just watch something and let it just soak you in and make you forget your troubles of the day. And if you're an art fan, then that is something I think you would really, really like. So if that sounds good to you, then subscribe, please, so you do not miss any upcoming videos. I have my puppy barking in the background. It is so hard to film with a puppy because he'd be wanting a lot of attention. Milo, my puppy, actually just turned 1 year old this past Wednesday, the 18th, and yay, he's all excited about it too. He's on a bit of a timeout. He was a bit of a naughty boy. But anyways, I did film this video a little differently than my usual ones. I do hope you like this kind of style. Let me know in the comments below how you liked it, and just sit back, enjoy the video, and I do hope you try one of these, if not both. I'm going to go see what Milo's doing, and I'll let you guys watch the video. Enjoy! here we are, our 2 quick and easy Christmas decoration crafts to do. Still in plenty of time before the big day. Decorate your home very sweetly for the holiday season. Friends and family will be very impressed. And yeah, if you like this kind of video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. Please subscribe if you like everything crafty. Now, I will try to get another video up before Christmas, but if I do not, I will see you in the new year. I will still try to get at least some sort of video up, but you know, it's hard to say. It is a busy time. There's 1 week away from the time I am filming this portion of the video, and fingers crossed. If not, have a wonderful holiday season, and we'll see you in the new year. Bye!